The next chapter of sustainable technology won't be defined by a single innovation. It will be shaped by systems that think, adapt, and evolve in real time.
The dawn of AI has an awful lot of people looking at solving problems in new and innovative ways.
It's moving so fast, whatever we're talking about right now is obsolete in 5 minutes.
A mind change is coming into like how people see electric vehicles. It's something that is actually built to last.
The exciting thing is being able to enable the companies to have their next generation product because they're working just as hard as we are.
Welcome to Sustainable Futures, a series exploring how engineering innovation is creating more efficient, resilient, and adaptive systems. Presented by DigiKey, powered by Harwin, Analog Devices, and SupplyFrame. Across industries, systems are becoming more connected, more intelligent, and more responsive. By focusing on durability, efficiency, and material innovation, Harwin is helping build the foundation for more sustainable infrastructure.
In Harwin, when we're designing new products, we're considering different factors around sustainability, whether it's the design of the product, the material we use, the packaging that it's sent out in. Once you've designed in a high reliability connector like some of Harwin's portfolio, you can trust that it's going to continue working and it's going to do the job that's at hand. And we're not just servicing the EV industry, but when you look at our target markets, such as defense, aerospace, and space, these components are often critical and are in very important equipment that just can't afford to fail.
And you're building a plane only once and it will fly for 10 years and you don't want to have to replace individual components. So to work for a company where sustainability and longevity of the products that they're making is front and center of it, is nice to know that it doesn't end up in a landfill after 6 months.
At Analog Devices, intelligence is built into every layer of the system.
If you can become more self-reliant and let's say run on what we would call a microgrid where you're not relying on the utility or you're lowering your cost because you're getting 50% of your power by yourself, there's an economic benefit to that. There's also a sustainable benefit to our planets.
Innovation across the entire product space is what really drives a company like Analog Devices. These systems don't have the latency or the power to be communicating back to a central server room all the time to await instructions. So we're seeing these as big opportunities to add value into this ecosystem.
Whether it's lowering the fossil fuel imprint and doing that with the most efficient X or the longest life of Y or the lowest power of Z, those are all things that we work on every day.
Turning these innovations into real-world impact requires an ecosystem, connecting suppliers, engineers, and partners working toward a shared goal. Individually, each of these advancements moves the industry forward. Together, they create systems that are smarter, more efficient, and more resilient than ever before.
We often connect technology to the physical product itself, but Harwin have really pioneered the use of digital tools to ensure that their customers can specify our connector solutions far easier than before.
Harwin's products help by making the charging process much cheaper on a smaller footprint and much quicker.
It's all coming together at a point where we can actually make a difference in terms of the sustainability of the world that we live in.
Engineers have ideas and they want to jump on it right away. DigiKey's top-notch for getting systems to you as quickly as possible for you to try things out. We're covering a large swath of customers and fulfillment that would bring us to our knees if we tried to do that to every person on the planet.
Analog Devices' focus is on sustainability. They're continuously looking to evolve into the future, what are customers looking for then, but also making sure that we have what they need now.
DigiKey's got the widest range of components, the largest selection. In terms of sustainability and design engineers that want to design as quickly as possible, we bridge that gap for the whole ecosystem to make sure that the partnership is there to be sustainable.
Everybody that works with DigiKey is working towards this goal. We all just have to keep pushing in the right way, making sure that developments in battery density, charging times, reliability of equipment, range of whatever you're driving is something that we're driving forward.
The future of sustainable electronics isn't just about what we build. It's about how we design, connect, and evolve those systems over time. Because when systems work together, sustainability scales. This is Sustainable Futures.